made money from TikTok. What? If you guys want to see exactly what I did, then let's cue that intro and jump into the video. I have literally the funniest story for you. So let me flip you around here. So last night we were sitting, this is my couch right here in front. My husband was playing video games. I was sitting watching him on the couch. And you see this beautiful little candle right here? Well, we had him lighted. I don't know why it's a him, but we had him lighted. And I was putting my hair back into a ponytail and I burned a piece of my hair off in the candle. 3 seconds later, my husband turns and he's like, "What is that smell?" And our entire house smelled so bad. It was burnt hair. I have my hair pulled back right now, but like literally, piece gone. Does that have anything to do with TikTok, making money, affiliate marketing? No, but it was freaking hilarious. Thought I would share it with you guys. So before we dive in and I show you the exact money I made and the actual stats, I want to preface with everything I was doing before that point. So I joined TikTok and posted my first video on June 6th, 2020, okay, of this year. My first videos, oh my gosh, they were terrible. I was learning how to use the app, was trying to figure it all out, right? Just with anything, there's a learning curve. And so I was just trying to figure it out, but it wasn't till about the beginning of July that I started posting really consistently. I started following this amazing woman. Her name is Rachel Peterson. She gives advice and tips on growing and using TikTok for your business specifically, and that was my focus. And I bought one of Rachel's mini courses, and in that course, she told me that, okay, if you're gonna have success on TikTok, you need to be super duper consistent. And so I committed to being consistent on TikTok, again, right at the beginning of July, and I started posting once a day. So one video, Monday through Saturday. I didn't post on Sundays, but I started being super consistent up until November, which is when I made my money on TikTok. Come around Black Friday, it was like the night before Black Friday. So Thanksgiving evening, I had just finished eating turkey with my family. We were chilling, food coma, and I got an email notification from Russell Brunson, who is the co-founder of ClickFunnels, and I'm an affiliate for ClickFunnels. And in this email, they were talking about this product that I've used. It's called the Perfect Webinar Script. And they were having a huge sale. So normally they sell this script plus a couple of other bonuses for $97. But for Black Friday up until Cyber Monday, they were selling this script for $7. And as an affiliate, you could earn up to $430 with all their OTOs, which if you don't know what that is, it's one-time offers. So for any customer that gets the $7 product, they're then taken through a couple other offers that are related to that product. And if the customer buys those other offers on top of the $7, I get a commission as an affiliate. But they can also choose not to get those, and then I can get just a small commission off of the $7. So I got this email and I was like, all right, I have to take advantage of this. I've used the script before and I have literally seen hundreds of other people use the script. It works. And it just basically teaches you how to use storytelling in your business. And so I decided out of the blue that I was going to promote this product. And so I wrote out a plan Thursday night, and I was gonna post 4 videos a day for 3 days, I believe it was, up until Cyber Monday when the deal ended, just promoting this one product. Each day, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, I filmed 4 TikToks. And if you guys want to know how to get started on TikTok, feel free to let me know down in the comments. I would love to help you because I've seen some awesome results with TikTok so far. And if you are struggling and need some help, please let me know down in the comments. Now, I didn't really check my stats Friday, Saturday, and actually most of Sunday because I was just focusing on posting. And so those 4 videos, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, I posted about 2 hours apart. So each video, 4 videos, 2 hours apart, those 3 days. And Sunday night, I get onto my ClickFunnels account to check to see if I had made any sales. And you guys, I had made $30. I know that doesn't sound like much, but $30 purely from TikTok. I had not put this affiliate link anywhere else. I had not promoted it to my email list. I had not promoted it on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, nowhere. It was only TikTok. And to track that too, I had made a simple link tree on my ClickFunnels account. I know there's an actual software you can use to build a link tree, but I had just modeled it based off of what other people were doing, built it in my ClickFunnels account. It literally took me 5 minutes Thursday night, and I put the link for that $7 product right at the top of that link tree and promoted it to my TikTok audience. And the results just blew me away. Not only did I make $30 in affiliate commissions, but that very last video that I posted on Sunday night ended up generating over 10,000 views. And over that weekend, I gained almost 400 new followers on TikTok. So I was kind of staying in that 300 to 400 follower range. I was kind of stuck there, but once I had that jump and that last video hit, I am now over 700 followers, which is so nuts, so freaking excited. So not only did I make that commission, but I gained a ton of followers and had a video viewed by over 10,000 people. I was so freaking excited. And I know it's not $1,000. I know it's not $10,000. I know it's only $30. But first off, I'm so grateful for that $30 because I started TikTok at the middle of this year, not really sure if it would go anywhere. I wasn't sure if I could use this in my business, but those $30 is a sign that I can. And as I continue to grow and engage and work on building my TikTok audience, I can increase those commissions later on. And I hope this inspires and motivates you guys too, because sometimes when you see these other affiliate marketers making $1,000, $5,000, $10,000, it can be really daunting and be like, that's so much money. I don't know if I can make that much, but $30, you guys, you can totally make $30. And I actually want to just share some tips with you guys on how to increase your TikTok audience if that's something you're focusing on. I believe it's an amazing opportunity. It's a new social media platform. Take advantage of it now while it's still in those beginning stages. And if it ends up going somewhere, awesome. You will have a foundation and other people will be scrambling to catch up to you. So let's dive into those 5 tips for doing affiliate marketing on TikTok. Number 1 is consistency. I didn't get on TikTok in June, post my first video, and make $30 in commission my first day. That just didn't happen. It took me months of posting every single day, and I have not stopped doing that. Once every single day I've been on TikTok, I've showed up, and that shows TikTok that I am willing to invest and I'm gonna keep putting out content on their platform. So if you guys want to be successful on TikTok, if that's something you wanna use to grow and build your affiliate business, you have to be consistent. Even if you post 2 times a week or 3 times a week. I don't have a specific time I upload, but I usually try and do the mornings is when I upload my content, but show up when you decide to show up. Be consistent, you guys. Number 2 is use call to actions in your TikToks and have a place where people can go. So that first one, using call to actions, and this is a mistake I made when I first started on TikTok, is I created these TikToks, but then I never told anyone what to do. Instead, like, go like and follow, or go check out my bio, things like that. And you can do simple arrows pointing to your bio that brings people's attention, or you can have text that pops up in the video saying link in bio, or in your description of the video saying go subscribe, whatever it is. Use call to actions in your videos. And the other thing is have a place where people can go. If you want to promote stuff on TikTok, if you want to do affiliate marketing on TikTok, have a simple link tree like I built. Literally, it took me 5 minutes to build in my ClickFunnels account. I needed it ASAP, and I just threw it up, modeled what other people were doing, and have links to your affiliate products. And in those buttons, you put your affiliate link in. Or if you're having them go to like a bridge page where they first put in their email address and then it takes them to the affiliate product, great. Have that set up. Have a simple home base where people can go and either follow you on social media or go straight to the affiliate products you're promoting. Number 3 is use hashtags to target your ideal audience. So first, when you're creating content, you don't want to be adding hashtags to your video description that have nothing to do with what you're talking about. So first of all, they need to relate, but second, people want to try and use these hashtags that are huge, that have 4 billion people using that hashtag, or there's a ton of people on those hashtags, but sometimes it's better to find hashtags that are longer, they're there's more letters in the hashtag, and they have a smaller audience. That way you niche down, you figure out who you want to target with your TikTok videos, then you can come up with a list of hashtags. Some of them can be bigger, but if some of them can be in the 1,000 range, then you're golden, or even less, because then you can start targeting less people, but then you have a greater chance of getting seen to those groups of people. Fourth is good lighting and just good videoing in general. Now, you don't need to go out and buy a camera to film your TikToks, even though one of the girls that I've seen trending and gaining thousands and thousands of followers on TikTok is using a camera to film her TikToks. She has great lighting and great video, and that's resulting in her growing really fast on TikTok. But good lighting, I know it sounds so simple, but it makes such a difference. You can just use your iPhone. Most iPhones have amazing cameras. Set up next to a window where you're facing the window, you have some good natural lighting on your face, and the video quality is good. It's not blurry or fuzzy or the audio's off, and that's gonna make a huge difference in the amount of followers and engagement you get on TikTok. And the last tip I have for you, tip number 5, is follow the trends. Now, if you're wanting to use TikTok for affiliate marketing, you need to find your own style, but a lot of TikTok uses audio or sounds in their videos, and sounds are trendy. And so you need to figure out what sounds are people using that are popular right now, and how can I create my own version that benefits my business or that talks about my business or relates to it. And then you can start to work on developing your own personality while being aware and following the trends. That one video that I had that blew up Sunday night, I used a popular audio and then put my own twist on it to promote that affiliate product, and it got massive traction. All it takes is you scrolling through TikTok 5-10 minutes. I would recommend, if you're gonna do that, put on a timer, because you can end up scrolling on TikTok forever. Been there, done that. But put on a timer, 5-10 minutes, scrolling through the For You page, and that's all you need to figure out, okay, what's kind of the trending audio? If you want to dance, you can see kind of the trending dances or filters, whatever it is, just to give you a sense of what is trending. So there you guys go. That was my experience making my very first affiliate commission sales off of TikTok. I was so excited, and you guys can do it too. By implementing the tips that I shared with you in this video, you can grow and build an influence on TikTok. Do it. I'm excited about it, and we'll see where it goes. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will see you on the next video. Bye, dudes.